More news coming in at this point in time. The killer minor father's hearing is currently underway as we speak, with the police seeking 7-day custody of the minor's father, Vishal. Cops have asked, why did the minor's father abscond? Why did father allow son to go to the pub? Cops are to probe whether father deleted digital evidence as well. Details we have with us are from a hearing which is currently underway in connection with the Pune hit-and-run case. Let's take a look at these pictures also that earlier came in today, where ink was thrown at the accused father, Vishal Agarwal. Cops have sought 7-day custody of the minor's father, Vishal. Cops are asking, why did the minor's father abscond? Why did the father allow the son to go to the pub in the first place, if the son was below the age of 18? Killer minor father's hearing essentially is underway right now. Cops have sought 7-day custody of the minor's father, Vishal. Cops have asked, why did the minor's father abscond? Some news just coming in at this point in time. 5 days of police custody to the minor's father, Vishal Agarwal. Vishal Agarwal, the father of the juvenile, is now getting 5-day in police custody. Remember, he was trying to run away from the police and even tried to mislead the investigations. Omkar has more details on that. Omkar, the manner in which the father behaved over the last few days or so has obviously raised suspicion about the possibility of him trying to delete evidence, tamper with the evidence, or in fact even influence the witnesses. These are concerns the police would have, isn't it?
Yesterday, when Pune police crime branch arrested Vishal Agarwal from Sambhajinagar, after that, for a day, he was behind the bars. Later on, when police showed on the paper that he is arrested now, almost 5 days of police custody has been sent by the court. There are different arguments were being made in the court for the both sides, but there were 5 people in the second FIR. Vishal was the 5th one, and the first 4 people out of them 3, they sent to the police custody till 24th of May. And also, even Vishal, he got 5 days of police custody, but he will be present in the jail on 24th itself.
All right, these are pictures in fact coming in from court from earlier today. But the development in this story is as follows. 5-day police custody for the minor's father. The police will continue to question him. Also at 4:30, Omkar, an important verdict from the court on whether the juvenile should be tried as an adult or not.
For that, we have to wait. The Juvenile Justice Board will declare declare their total remark and final order by 4:30 itself.
All right, 4:30 is when we'll get to know whether the juvenile can be tried as an adult or not. But the very latest developments in this case is the police getting 5-day custody. For our viewers, Omkar, who would have just joined us, give us an idea about what the argument of the cops are in this case as to why. Okay, we'll go back to Omkar in a moment from now. But these are details we have with us about Omkar, in fact about the juvenile's father. Omkar will be joining us in a moment from now. We have more information coming in at 4:30. What we know is that there is going to be a verdict on whether the juvenile can be tried as an adult or not. The probe is also intensifying in this entire matter, with the Pune police registering a new case by inserting section 185 in the FIR for driving under the influence of alcohol. So this is a case of drunken driving. Says the police, accused minor has appeared before the juvenile court today. Pune police have moved the Juvenile Justice Board, seeking that the juvenile be sent to an observation home. Pune Municipal Corporation is on alert mode after the horrific accident involving a minor as an accused. The very latest details in this case are as follows. In about 25 minutes from now, the juvenile court is going to decide on the minor's trial, whether he can be tried as an adult or not. Today, the father, seen in these pictures on your screen right now, Vishal Agarwal, has been sent to police custody for 5 days. The father who tried to mislead the investigations, mislead the police, and also was trying to escape from law for days together before he was apprehended. In more developments today, let's take a look at these new developments in the Pune case. The municipal corporation is on alert mode after the horrific accident involving the minor here. As an accused, few pubs have been demolished by civic authorities, and all pubs have been served notices to comply with the rules. Vishal Agarwal tried to evade the police. He switched off his mobile phone, got a new number to avoid being tracked, but was later arrested. After relentless coverage, remember, by India Today, Deputy Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has assured action in this case. The Cozy and Black Bar, who served liquor to the minor, were also sealed by the police today.
कल्याणी नगर में दुर्घटना हुई थी, जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ था, वो सिलसिले में यहाँ पर एक केस हुआ था जो हमने किया था, एक्साइज डिपार्टमेंट में जो केस किया था। उसके बाद हमने कलेक्टर साहब को उसका रिपोर्ट किया था और कलेक्टर साहब ने उसके ऊपर ऑर्डर्स किए हैं कि ये दोनों भी परमिट रूम बार सील कर दिया जाए और वो ऑर्डर के अनुसार हम लोग यहाँ पे कार्रवाई कर रहे हैं।
100 करोड़ रुपए की वसूली करने वाले पूर्व गृह मंत्री को हमें सवाल पूछने का नैतिक अधिकार है? जो कोविड काल में जो पैसे वाले बिल्डर है, जो आरोपी थे, उनको पिकनिक को जाने के लिए पुलिसकर्मी इन्होंने ही दिए थे। क्या भूल गया? जब मामला बेहद दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है तो ऐसे मामले में सारे राजनेता इकट्ठे आकर के उस परिवार को न्याय कैसे मिले, यह भूमिका सबकी होनी चाहिए। दुर्भाग्य से शरद पवार गुट के नेता और उनके दल को इसमें भी सियासत सूझ रही है, यह दुख भरी बात है।
जो घटना घटी है वो सीरियस है। उसमें जो लड़का था उसको पूरा अरेस्ट कर दिया है, लेकिन वो 17 साल का होने से उनको जमानत मिली है, लेकिन उसके पिताजी को भी पकड़ा है। इसकी पूरी जांच हो रही है और इस केस में मतलब कोई भी मतलब किसी को सपोर्ट करने का विषय नहीं है। इसमें कठोर कार्रवाई करने का निर्णय सरकार ने लिया है। पुलिस इसकी पूरी जांच कर रही है और इसमें कुछ पुलिस पर भी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, ऐसी हमारी मांग है।
Omkar, in fact, is back with us for more details on that. Omkar, tell us a little about what the police has said in court today, essentially the reasons why they seek the police custody of the father of the juvenile here. They, of course, were pressing for 7 days. They've got 5. Omkar.
Am I audible?
Yes, Omkar, go ahead.
Okay. So total 4 days of police custody is there. On 24th, all 5 accused will be present in the court again. Till then, they'll send to the police custody. There are 3 things interesting happened in the court. Both sides they were arguing, and now we can see around 4:30, even the final order of a juvenile justice court will come about the minor. But before that, we can say there was different arguments. The government council. Government prosecutor, they asked for 7 days of police custody, but finally court allowed till 24th of May. So Nilesh Shevani and Jayesh Bonkar, both are employees of a black pub, whose member allowed to the minor enter there. Like there are several questions asked by the government prosecutor, the lawyer of police. Why did Vishal...
न्यायालयाच्या निदर्शनास आणले तुम्ही या प्रकरणात काय इंटरव्हेन्शन 2-3 मुद्द्यांवर आहे. एकतर पहिली गोष्ट म्हणजे या अपघातात जरी 2 जण मेलेले असले तरी पुण्यातल्या सगळ्यांनाच रस्त्यांवरून जावं लागते, वाहनं चालवावं लागतात आणि सगळ्यांचा जीव धोक्यात आहे अशी परिस्थिती आहे. अशा वेळेस जर आपण पाहिलं की कोणी अपघात करेल आणि तो जर श्रीमंत व्यक्ती असेल तर त्याला काहीच होणार नाही. ही जी न्यायाची असमानता आहे ही सुद्धा महत्वाची आहे. आम्ही कोर्टामध्ये सांगितलं की लेखी स्वरूपात सुद्धा दिलं की जर लायसन्स नसेल, जर त्या मुलाकडे वाहन चालवण्याचं परमिट नसेल, तर तो 18 वर्षाच्या आत असेल आणि तरी दारू पिण्यासाठी जाऊ देणं, पबमध्ये जाऊ देणं आणि मग त्यांनी बेदरकारपणे वाहन चालवून अपघात करणं, हे सगळं जे रिझल्ट आहे याचा, हा पालक म्हणून त्यांच्या सपेशल अशा अपयशाचा भाग आहे आणि त्यामुळे त्यांची चौकशी झाली पाहिजे. कारण की त्यांनी इतके दिवस कार विकत घेऊनही रजिस्ट्रेशन का केलं नाही, हा एक मुद्दा आहे. आणि दुसरा मुद्दा आहे की त्यांनी मुलाकडे लक्ष का दिलं नाही. आता याच्यामध्ये कायद्याचे आणखी 1-2 मुद्दे आहेत.